EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for November 19th, 2020. For your Thursday, high pressure is going to move off to our south and east, and that's going to get a return flow around that high pressure, kind of like in this direction here. So we're going to get southwesterly winds coming in here. That's going to increase the temperatures quite a bit from what we saw yesterday. It was a very winter-like day yesterday. Temperatures not getting out of the 30s in many locations. Had a few areas have a little leftover flurries and light snow showers in the morning. And the time of recording this video, just before midnight, I'm looking at my high-tech weather station over here, and it's showing 21 degrees just north of the Allentown Airport. Ooh, chilly. But one thing is we're going to have today is this trough lifting out because of this. The trough is actually up here and moving in this direction and away from our region. And again, we have high pressure that is going to be anchored off the coast to our south and east here, kind of like this. So we have this big high pressure sitting here off to our southeast. That's going to get that return flow in from the southwest and warmer temperatures by a good margin. We should have temperatures getting up close on either side of the 50-degree mark for highs, partly to mostly sunny skies, and then clear to partly cloudy overnight, and maybe near freezing in the outline areas to mid-30s or thereabout as we get away from those areas. But as we get into Saturday, or Friday and Saturday, the next couple of days after that, it looks like the high here off to our south is going to become south and east is going to be well established, and partly cloudy skies expected both days, and on either side of 60 degrees. I would say Saturday actually has a slight chance of being a little cooler than Friday, barely, maybe by a degree or two, but it's still going to be really close to the 60-degree mark here across the entire region on either side of 60 degrees, both Friday and Saturday under partly cloudy skies. And then when we have Sunday, a warm front moving toward the region is going to lead to mostly cloudy skies and temperatures held in check a little bit because that front's in the vicinity and more clouds and sun. Clouds limiting the sun will actually limit temperatures a little bit without the solar insulation going on with the full sun that we're expecting prior to that. So on Sunday with mostly cloudy skies, middle 50s we're looking at. And then we're going to have a few showers here overnight with a warm front. And this is all ahead of this cold front coming through here. There's a warm front that's going to bring in a few showers in the overnight period. Is going to go into Monday morning as the cold front passes. So we'll have scattered showers in the morning right here, as you can see here. It'll be generally early in the morning before noon. And then this moves away. We might even have partial clearing later in the day here on Monday. But straight through the weekend, it does look dry. Just overnight, Sunday night, we're looking at a few showers coming in, going into Monday morning before this pulls away. After that, we do turn cooler. On Tuesday, we're going to have a semblance of a trough here. Not a big trough. This is more flatter here, a little bit of a dip here. It's going to get temperatures here in the middle 40s or mid to upper 40s for highs on Tuesday. And then we have another system coming out as another frontal boundary. It's going to bring more showers. On Wednesday, it'll be later in the day. It looks like an increase in clouds in the morning, and then PM and evening showers as this rotates through. But the big news here, of course, this was yesterday with that trough settling into the region. And some very chilly temperatures, some 10 to 12 degrees below average. And then here's today, as you get that transition, as it kicks this out. We have this warmer temperatures coming into the region. And it's going to go into Friday and Saturday. Again, Sunday with that mostly cloudy conditions might not be as warm. All right, but then Monday we have this front finally coming through. And here is the look at Tuesday next week. Not really that far below average, barely, if it is, just because of the behind the cold front. This is all the air mass you're going to get. So this is a very marginally cold air mass compared to average anyway. But this is what we're going to have over the next couple of weeks. Kind of an up and down pattern, favoring mild more so than cool. But we will have these little shots every once in a while that will knock us back down in temperatures after a little while, maybe 3 or 4 days being above average or slightly above average. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins. That is your outlook for November 19th, 2020. Have a great Thursday.